all, welcome back to Malayalam script class. In this class, we are going to learn some more new letters. This group has 4 vowels and 2 consonant letters. Among the group, one vowel letter has its longer counterpart and its vowel symbol also. The letters are Da, Bha, A, and Aha. Let us pronounce once more. Da, Bha, A, Aha. Let us go to the first letter. This letter is Da. While producing this sound, the tongue tip presses against the back of the upper teeth. When the contact is released, the air escapes from mouth through slight explosion. To trace this letter, make a semicircle. Start from left down. Then bring a small straight line towards the circle center. Without lifting the pen, retrace line backward like this and bring down as shown, stroke number 5. This letter is Da. Daya, Danam, Dinam, Divasam are the example words. Next letter is Bha. For the production of this sound, the air flow come from lungs is stopped by making a contact of the lower lip against the upper. The contact released with an extra puff of air. Compare the shapes of Da and Bha letters. Here the difference is only stroke number 3. For Da, it is a straight line. For Bha, it's a curved one. Try to trace these letters. Next letter is A, the first vowel letter of the Aksharamala. When produce this sound, mouth will be opened and lips are neutral in position. The lower jaw comes down. Tongue movement is relaxed and low in position as possible. This is the way of writing this letter. Do you think it is little difficult to write? Let's try to figure it out. Follow the hand movement. Again, still if you feel difficult, there is an easy way. Observe the letter closely from stroke number 1 to 7. It seems like the letter Da. Yes, the same Da. From 7 to 9, it is like letter Ra. From 9 to 11, it is like Ra letter. Now, continuously write all these shapes. It is the letter A. Remember, A is not a combined letter. Don't confuse. Each letter has its own existence. We followed this method only for the ease of writing. Now, the next letter. It is A, the longer counterpart of short A. The letter has more duration to articulate than short A. Now, trace this letter. If we add stroke number 12 as continuous of the letter short A, we will get the letter long A. In addition, we have its secondary symbol also. It is the vowel symbol of A. Trace its shape based on its stroke numbers. When we add this symbol nearby any consonants, it gives its long sound. Example, ta plus a, ta. Example words are tara, para, etc. Try to find more. Next letter is is also called anuswaram. It is a nasalized vowel. In modern Malayalam, it functions as a pure nasal consonant, typically pronounced as It can assimilate to nearby nasal sounds. Unlike regular consonants, anuswara is never followed by an inherent vowel. To write, just add a small circle after the letter A as shown. Many words borrowed from Sanskrit while using in Malayalam end with The language has rich vocabulary of these types of words. These words are the best example of nativization. To create words, add its symbol with the consonant. Example, ta plus tam. Varam, taram, vivaram, janam, jananam are the example words. Now the last letter. It is aha. It is used as diacritic in Sanskrit and many Indic scripts, including Malayalam, Devanagari and others. It represents a voiceless ha sound that follows a vowel, usually pronounced with a slight echo of the preceding vowel. Example, Dukkham, Andapuram, etc. We will meet in the next class with some more vocabularies and some new letters. Thank you.